As Bitcoin, BTC, prices continued to hover around the $60 mark, a kind of hush has fallen over much of the El Salvador mainstream media, most of which is vehemently opposed to both President Nayib Bukele and his Bitcoin adoption drive. As previously reported, the right-wing, populist Bukele found himself at loggerheads with the nation's left-leaning media right from the outset of his tenure in 2019. The relationship has soured ever since, with some media outlets launching stinging exposé stories alleging wide-scale corruption and power-grabbing moves from Bukele and his Nuevas Ideas party. Bukele responded by expelling a journalist from the country. Confusingly, perhaps, these media outlets have also carried a large amount of what Bukele has disparagingly dismissed on Twitter as Bitcoin-related FUD. Stories about how much of the population opposed the decision to make BTC legal tender, how misguided Bukele's BTC volcano-powered mining effort. However, as BTC prices slumped following the adoption of the coin as legal tender on September 7, it was around $52 on that day. The biggest stick the media outlets had to beat Bukele with was the fact that buying Bitcoin had proved to be a bad deal for El Salvador. They pointed out, repeatedly, how much public money had been poured into purchases, precious few details of which had been published in the official documentation. The last week or so have been very quiet on the Bitcoin-related front in the pages of these publications, with the American Bitcoin Exchange Traded Fund, ETF, news bolstering markets to an all-time Bitcoin high.